morning, guys. Happy Sunday. I still got this wristband on. It's currently 8:12. I've probably been up for about 7. Just laying in the bed. But I'm about to get up and be productive. I need to edit yesterday's vlog. I need to edit my Cabo vlog. And I need to edit my first camping trip, solo camping trip vlog. So yeah, I got a lot of editing to do. So hopefully the Cabo and the camping trip will go up back to back. So today, you probably won't see this vlog, probably maybe till Wednesday, if everything works out the way I want it to, of next week. Because I'm hoping Monday and Tuesday could be those 2 vlogs, but we'll see. I think I heard Jalen is already up, or she didn't go to bed, one of the 2. And I was able to charge my phone last night because I had another cord, but my laptop is dead. I need to balance my budget and see how much I spent for the business. I need to balance that and then do that right quick. Edit some, and I'll probably stop and eat breakfast. Don't know what time we're supposed to meet over at Keisla's house today for lunch, dinner, brunch, whatever we're gonna call it. And I'm supposed to bring a bottle of wine, so I need to put that in the refrigerator so it'll be chill by then. Other than that, that's all I'm doing. One of my customers, I had left a bodysuit here, my size 10, and I have it right there, so I need to get up with her and meet her so she can have her bodysuit. I hope the other ones fit, so I guess I need to ask her did they fit. She got sizes 10, because they run really big, the bodysuits do, so. Kind of give me an idea. I think my camera dried out, so it might be alright, you guys. But I do need to start saving up for a new camera, because this one ain't gonna make it much longer. Alright, let's go to the office and start editing. Oh look, I got a visitor in the yard. Can you see the deer? He's standing there behind the bush. He just heard something. You see him? Chilling there eating. Eating some food. That's the only one I see. The rest of them might be gone already. Guys, I'm all dressed to head to Keisla's house. She's having us over from lunch today. So I just have on her, actually this is her jogger set from last year, I think. Earlier this year. No, it's last year because I had it packed up. So from last year, it's just her olive green jogger set. And I just got on my combat boots, trying to break them in. I don't know, you guys. I have the 9. I have on really thick socks, and they still like, I can still like slide my, but we have thin ankles in my family. We don't really have any ankles, so anything that has a back width, it don't really work for us. But I know I can't fit a size 8, so. And they don't do half sizes, so 9 it is. I might have to just get another pair of socks. Or put something in the back of the shoe to make it fit a little bit better. But other than that, these are actually super dope. So yeah, I'm glad I picked them up. But I'm about to get in the car. It's actually raining. You guys can hear that. I finished editing the vlog. It's ready to go at 7. Have it on Premiere. When I get back home, I'm going to finish the first day of my solo SUV camping trip. So I have the first day edited. I just need to find some music and put all the little stuff in there, and then I can export that and have it premiere tomorrow. And then I want to do the first part of the Cabo trip for and so what I was gonna say, I don't even know. That text message got me confused. What was I saying? Oh, so I can have the first day of Cabo up, because I don't think it's all gonna fit in one either. I won't know until I start editing. I probably won't start editing until later on tonight after I finish the other one. I'm trying to decide if I'm gonna go into work tomorrow or not. I really don't feel like it, so I may not go in tomorrow. Might not go in until Tuesday or Wednesday. I might change my days up this week. Maybe go on Wednesday and Thursday because I just don't feel like going tomorrow. And it's going to be raining too. And that's one thing I love about this new position, having that option. It's everything. Let me find my keys. I don't know what I did with them. I need my phone and my iPad. Alicia has my charger, so I can't charge anything. So hopefully she comes. If not, I don't have to go to her house because I'm going to have my charger. I mean, I'm literally can't charge my laptop or nothing. So hopefully she comes today. If not, I'm going to have to pop over there. Anyway, I will check in with you guys a little bit later. Look, you guys, my son is officially the Domino pizza delivery boy. He got the Domino pizza thing. I always wonder how they stick on top of the car. I guess that's a magnet or either a suction cup. Too funny. Anyway, let me put you guys on the thingamajig and I'll be right back. Hey guys, I can't really remember where I left off earlier today. But I think I left off when I was editing those videos. So I did get finished editing the video for today, and it's out as a premiere at 7 p.m. And I know you guys like, you usually put stuff out at 12, but if I'm going to be vlogging every day, I don't want to give myself a 12 o'clock deadline. It's just too much pressure. So I'm going to be changing it to 7 o'clock for this Vlogtober, and then probably when Vlogmas comes, the same thing. Or maybe not, because that's usually the day before, but this is like every day, so we'll figure it out. But for this month, 7 p.m. okay, be ready. What else? So I got that edited. I got the first part of my solo camping trip edited, and it will go out on Tuesday. No, Monday, sorry. It will go out Monday, tomorrow, and then hopefully the first Cabo will go out on Tuesday, because I think Cabo, I don't know how much footage I got in Cabo. I feel like I did not get a lot of footage in Cabo. I was really chilling, but I never know until I'm editing. So if it can be one video, it will. If not, I'll probably break it up into two, and then hopefully the first one will go out on Tuesday or Wednesday. Or should I? Y'all won't even be able to answer this question by then. I was going to say, should I just do them back to back until they're done? But I feel like everything is so far behind already that I just don't want to be behind no more. So I'll just edit and put them out as I feel. Watch them, don't watch them. Y'all know how I do. It's going to be out. It'll be out there. It'll be out there. So yeah. So I know I told you guys I didn't reach my goal at the pop-up shop last night. Which is in today's video. But your girl reached her goal of $500 a month, and now I'm thinking I should put my goal up and still have it as $500 a month, because the pop-up shop shouldn't really count, but we don't know. Maybe I should just put it up to $1,000 this month and see if I can get up another 500. So we'll see how that goes. And then I got 3 orders today. So I sent out my newsletter with all my new arrivals and telling people to shop, and then of course I post on my Instagram, and I got 3 new orders today, so I will be shipping them out tomorrow. So when I get home, I'll pack them up and have them go out to the post office. I'm debating whether or not I'm going to go to work tomorrow. I really don't feel like it. I'm super tired. The good thing about my job is I can make my in-office or work from home hours myself. They don't really tell you what days you have to come in. So I may switch up and go in on Wednesday and Thursday, and maybe take Monday and Tuesday off, or either go Tuesday and Wednesday if I feel a little bit better tomorrow after work. And then I still need to clean up, and I need to put everything up from the pop-up shop, because of course I haven't done that yet. So that's why I probably need Monday tomorrow. But tomorrow is my heavy meeting day, and I might just wait till Tuesday to go in the office. You know, it is what it is. So that's what I'm doing, you guys. I'm headed to Keisla's house now. Alicia's gonna be a little late. Her mother-in-law's in town, so she didn't want to like be rude and leave her at the house or whatever. So she might be late, or she may not come. Who knows, child? It is what it is, like I say. And but if she don't come, I need to go by her house though, because I need my chargers, y'all. All my stuff is dying, and I have nothing to charge them with. And y'all know I love my iPad. I need to play on it. I can charge my phone because I have another kind of charger, but it takes forever. But at least I have one. But I have no other charger for my laptop or for my iPad. So if my laptop's already dead and my iPad's probably about to die. So hopefully she comes, I get my charger. But if not, I'll just go over there and get it and then come back to the house or whatever. So I will check in with you guys later. It is raining and gloomy, and I feel nice and cozy in my sweatsuit. So yeah, I'll check in with you guys later. All right, you guys, I made over Keys's house. I've been over here for a minute. And we just got to talking, and of course I had to buy something every time I come over here. I need to see what else she got on his website. I need to try on them. I don't know. I just don't like the rip in it for me. I don't think I'm gonna do it. I ain't gonna wear them. I know, but they look so comfy though.
I almost put them on. They came some dirty clothes. I was looking for. Well, no, I just watched them.
And of course, Connor around here running around looking handsome. So, did you find somebody new to do the haircut because of the lady?
Yeah. It's another lady from that used to work at the vet.
I think that's still stupid that they wouldn't let her do that.
Oh, no. What?
Remember you said something about they wouldn't let her do it from her house or the van or whatever it was she had? She moved so that she could do it from her house now?
She live in by the lake
Lake Martin? Everybody moving out. I told them when my neighbor moved to Lake Martin. Got him a damn trailer, girl.
Another girl that worked at the vet, she now works.
Oh, I've seen them before. But I've never picked them up. I always get the peach Faygo.
Faygo ain't got nothing on it.
Dude, I'm gonna have to try one. She gonna have me addicted. She gonna have me addicted. Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
She gonna have me addicted.
It's gonna happen. I think I put another one in there just in case.
We waiting on Leisha and Christina. They over here trying to make us starve and shit. Cause we hungry. I ain't had nothing to eat, but I had a couple Pringles and that was it, some candy. Not enough nutrition. She got me watching BMF, Black Mafia, what? Family. I ain't never heard of them, but it's supposedly based off a true story. So I think it's just the first episode, but we've been talking. We have missed half of it anyway. So y'all, I forgot about y'all. We doing our little
comment. You don't need to praise. I saw your
Alicia's favorite thing to do when we have our working lunches or dinner is to tell me, that's not enough. It's not enough, Kiosha.
So we're doing 3 times a week. I'm busy doing me.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna set that goal for myself.
All right, House of Charlotte, what we doing this week?
Oh wait, so if I have a busy doing me Facebook page, it has to be a business one for me to automatically post to my busy doing me.
Yeah, what?
If your Facebook has to be connected to your Instagram in order for it to post to the other one.
Yeah.
So my busy doing me Facebook page not? I can post and it'll automatically post for me on my busy doing me.
If you're busy doing,
because right now the only reason why I don't do automatic posts for busy doing me because I have to pay for it. I'm not paying for shit else.
No, is your busy doing me Instagram? Is that a creator or a business account?
I don't know.
Let me see.
It depends, yeah. Because I got my Southern Diva KP, which I do not post that Facebook at all.
No. But your Instagram. Let me see your Instagram.
Oh my.
Are you stuck? You need a bath.
Yes, so you wouldn't have all that, which means your Facebook account is not personal. Because normally, if you upgrade, so when you went from a personal to a professional, it automatically upgraded your Facebook page.
Is that what that means?
Yes.
So in Facebook, I can
link. You can.
Post. I can schedule it.
Yes.
But do I have to have 2 different business suites? I have to log out of one and into the other.
Or you can simply switch accounts like how you do from.
Let me download this business.
Yeah.
What's it called? Business? Is it just Facebook?
What is it? I mean, Schnauzer.
A schnauzer, okay.
They're really smart. Well, not him.
And I need to order something. If I just post my new releases, I have to have new releases next week.
The other one was extremely. Well, I say that.
We need to focus on how we're going to get to that goal.
I think he has plenty of sense to bring attention.
Maybe ordering new stuff and then having promos.
Oh, I'm typing.
Like marketing things that you have. Maybe it could be like every week or every 2 weeks, but something to get more people's eyes on your pictures besides people that are just following you.
Because then I need a toast if I get another device.
Daily.
Oh, I have.
Yes,
That's basically what I. period. Your toes, some type of toes.
Oh, here it is. Scheduled for later.
Yeah, scheduled for
Okay,
later.
I'm gonna have to go do that then. So you use Facebook to automate your posts?
My Facebook post. I could do it. I need to start separating out my, I think this week, I'm schedule Facebook.
Cause she, reason why she doesn't do hers, cause she not like me. I don't care if my posts are the exact same. She wants her to be different from Facebook than Instagram. Oh, I got you.
So my
whatever I
Facebook
post
always has a link in it.
Whatever. Oh, okay, okay.
Because some people are not going to tap on the picture, so I got it where they can tap on it to get the product information, or they can tap on the post.
So you're actually pretty good on House of Charlotte. Oh, she posts like a motherfucker. She ain't got no problem.
I post, but
So she ain't got no problem. You know what I've noticed?
Mm-hmm.
She has reels.
Oh yeah, I do real.
Oh, child, please. That shit is a whole nother thing.
Headed home from Keisla's house, and we had a really good productive meeting. I love Alicia. Alicia is like, she's like our person who makes everything get going. She's like, we're gonna make a list, this is what you're gonna do this week, no excuses. So she really be getting me on track. Her and Keisla are a lot more disciplined at this than I am. I'm still a little lax. Daisy is still super hard for me to, you know, get the Instagram, Facebook stuff down. I'm just not good at it, and it's hard, and I don't want to do it. So running a business is hard. You're always going to do stuff you don't want to do. Learning curve is pretty deep in my opinion, and sometimes I just get frustrated. And so tonight was very productive, but I was frustrated a little bit, but that's just me as a person. No reflection on them. But yeah, but I'm headed home. Jalen is texting me, you on your way home? What are you doing? Blah, blah, blah. I told her I was on my way, so I should be home in probably about another 15 minutes. So yeah, I did get another order, so I have a total of 4 orders that I need to pack up tomorrow and take to the post office. I am not going to go to work tomorrow physically. I'm just gonna work from home. I have too much to do. I gotta clean up, and I still have to get together my list of stuff that I need to have done by the time Thanksgiving comes. You guys know my house is a mess, so I need to make a list of everything that I need to do for that, along with my business and my YouTube and my Instagram and Facebook. Y'all, it's a lot. I don't know why I put myself through such torture. But yeah, so I'm heading home.